Welcome to Big Progress Channel.
Have you ever wanted to start a conversation in English, but your brain suddenly becomes empty?
Yes, every single time. My brain goes on vacation without telling me.
And in that moment, you forget even the word hello.
Exactly. I know thousands of words at home. Outside, zero. Gone. Finished.
Then today's episode is for you. Stay with us because in the next minutes, you will learn how to start a real conversation in English in an easy, natural way.
Wait, really? Even for someone like me?
Especially for someone like you.
Oh no, that sounds dangerous.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Big Progress Channel, your cozy place to grow your English a little every day.
A warm cup of tea, but for your vocabulary.
Exactly. I'm Hannah, your teacher.
And I'm Lam, your friendly student who makes all the mistakes first, so you don't have to.
That's very kind of you, Lam.
I suffer for education.
Today, we will practice something very important, how to start a conversation.
The scary part.
The magical part.
The heart attack part.
Lam.
Sorry, I'm calm. I'm breathing.
Good. Because starting is not difficult. We just need small steps.
Small steps sound safe. I like safe.
Great. Step 1 is very simple. We say a greeting.
Like hello?
Perfect. Hello is friendly, polite, and works almost everywhere.
I like hello. It's classic. Like white shoes. Always okay.
Nice example. We can also say hi.
Hi feels lighter. Like hello without homework.
Yes, it is more relaxed. Good for friends, classmates, coworkers.
So if I see my friend, I say hi.
Correct.
If I see my boss, hello.
Very smart choice.
I want to keep my job.
Wise student. We can also use the time of day.
Oh, right. Good morning.
Yes. When do we say good morning?
From when we wake up until lunchtime?
Perfect. Around 12 p.m.
I like good morning. It sounds positive, like today will be better.
Me too. After that, we say good afternoon.
That one is harder to remember. My mouth gets lazy.
But it's very polite, especially in shops or formal places.
Good afternoon, sir. See? I sound important.
You do. And later in the day?
Good evening.
Excellent.
Wait, what about good night? Can I start with good night?
Ah, classic trap.
I knew it.
Good night is for leaving or going to bed.
So if I say good night at the start, people think I want to sleep?
Yes, they might give you a pillow.
That is embarrassing.
So remember, start with good evening, finish with good night.
Start bright, end sleepy.
Exactly.
Okay, greeting done. What is next?
After hello, we usually ask a question.
Oh no, English is attacking me again.
A very easy question. How are you?
The superstar of questions.
Yes, friendly and caring.
But I always panic with answers. I only know I'm fine, thank you.
That is good, but we can try more.
More? There's more?
Yes. If you feel good, you can say, I'm good.
Nice, short, my style.
If you feel very good, say, I'm great.
I'm great sounds powerful, like I won something.
It has strong energy.
What if I'm normal, not amazing, not terrible?
You can say, I'm okay.
Honest, I like it.
Or not bad.
Oh, I hear that a lot, not bad.
Yes, very common.
So many choices. My brain is waking up.
Good. And after answering, we ask back.
And you?
Perfect.
Or how about you?
Even better. Natural and friendly.
Wow, we already have a mini conversation.
Yes. You see, you are doing it.
Wait, am I speaking English without fear?
You are.
Is this legal?
Completely.
Amazing.
Now imagine you meet someone new.
My stress is coming back.
Don't worry. Step 3 is introduction.
My name is Lam.
Perfect.
Or I'm Lamb.
Yes, a little more casual.
Casual is good. Casual is comfortable.
After that, we ask their name.
What's your name?
Exactly.
And then they answer, and I pray I understand.
Lamb.
I'm joking. Half joking.
After you hear the name, you say, nice to meet you.
Very important phrase.
Very.
And they say, nice to meet you too.
Beautiful. Look at you.
I feel like a conversation machine.
And we are just getting started.
There is more?
Of course. Now we want to continue talking.
Right, because silence is scary.
Yes, so we use a conversation starter.
Something simple.
Very simple. The most famous topic in English.
The weather.
Yes.
English people love weather.
Everyone loves weather because everyone can see it.
True, no homework needed.
You can say, it's a beautiful day.
Or it's sunny.
Perfect.
If it's bad, I say it's raining.
Yes. Or the weather is not very good today.
Polite complaining.
Exactly.
And then the other person agrees.
Yes, conversation continues.
This is easier than I thought.
Because you're using small, simple ideas.
Small words, big progress.
I like that. Good. But wait, we can make it even more interesting.
More interesting than weather?
Yes. What if you say something nice to the person?
A compliment?
Exactly.
Oh, I like compliments, especially for me.
Of course you do.
What can I say?
Something easy. I like your jacket.
Nice, friendly, safe.
Or your bag is beautiful.
People will smile.
Yes, and they say thank you.
Happiness everywhere.
Conversations grow when people feel good.
I should write that on my wall.
Please do.
Hannah, I feel brave now.
Really?
Yes, I want to try a full conversation.
Already?
Why not? Let's imagine we're at a bus stop.
Okay, you start.
Right now.
Yes,
Okay, let me breathe.
you can do it.
All right, here I go.
I'm listening. Hello.
Oh, you saved me.
Teamwork. Conversation is always teamwork.
Thank you. Okay, let me try again. Hello?
Hi.
The weather is really nice today, isn't it?
Yes, it is. It's sunny and warm. Much better than yesterday.
Yesterday was so cloudy, I almost needed a boat.
A boat might be too much.
I like dramatic English.
I can see that. What comes next?
Right. Introduction. My name is Lamb. What's your name?
I'm Hannah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Good. I didn't forget.
You're doing very well.
Thank you. Now, I ask about the day, right?
Yes,
Are you having a good day?
I am. Thank you. How about you?
My day is going well. I had coffee, so life is beautiful.
Coffee helps many conversations.
True. Oh, compliment time. Hannah, I like your coat. The color is very nice.
Thank you so much, Lamb. That's very kind.
Wow, this feels natural.
Because it is natural. Simple, friendly steps.
Wait, we are talking like strangers at a bus stop.
Yes, and you built the conversation.
I'm proud. I won a medal.
I can give you a smile.
Acceptable.
How did it feel?
Less scary than in my head. In my head, everything is horror movie music.
Many learners feel that way.
But when I follow the steps, it's clear.
Exactly. Structure gives confidence.
Greeting, how are you? Name, small topic.
Perfect summary.
I listened.
I'm happy.
Can we try another quick situation?
Of course.
Maybe in a cafe?
Nice. You start again.
Hi,
Hello.
how are you?
I'm great, thanks. And you?
I'm good. Oh, I like your glasses.
Thank you.
See? Fast, smooth, no ambulance needed.
I'm very proud of you.
I think the big problem is people wait for perfect English.
Yes, but real conversations are not perfect.
They are human.
Exactly. Small mistakes are okay.
So if I say something a little wrong,
People still understand you.
that makes me relax.
Good. Relaxed people speak better.
Hannah, what is the biggest tip today?
Start small.
Not big speech.
No big speech.
Not Shakespeare.
Definitely not.
Good, because I forgot everything from school.
A simple hello is powerful.
It opens the door.
Yes, to practice, to connection, maybe to friendship.
Wow, deep.
But true.
I also like the smile idea.
Very important. Smile, eye contact, friendly voice.
Even before grammar.
Yes.
That changes everything.
Do you remember how afraid you were at the beginning of the episode?
Yes, I wanted to hide.
And now?
I want to talk to everybody.
That's progress.
Big progress?
Big progress.
From small words.
Exactly.
I love this system.
Good. Let's review quickly for everyone listening.
Review mode on.
Step 1.
Greeting. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening.
Good. And good night?
Only when leaving or sleeping.
Excellent. Step 2.
Ask how are you?
Step 3.
Introduce your name and ask theirs.
Step 4.
Use an easy topic, weather, compliment, or the day.
Perfect.
That's actually not many things.
No, and you can mix them in many ways.
Like Lego.
Exactly like Lego.
Hannah, I think learners at home can try this today.
Yes, today, not tomorrow.
Maybe with a classmate, a coworker, or even a neighbor.
Very good ideas. 2 minutes of talking is already practice.
And practice builds confidence.
Confidence makes the next conversation easier.
You understand beautifully.
I had a good teacher.
Thank you. Hannah, before we finish, can I say something to our listeners?
Please.
Don't wait to be perfect. Just be brave and start.
I love that.
Even high is success.
Absolutely.
And if they smile back,
Conversation unlocked.
achievement.
I think we did a lot today.
Yes, from 0 words to full conversations.
I hope everyone feels ready.
Ready and less afraid.
That is our goal.
Friends, if this episode helped you,
Please support the channel.
click like
Subscribe for more practice.
and write a comment.
Tell us your favorite way to start a conversation.
Weather, compliment, simple hello,
We love reading your answers.
and remember our little sentence,
Small words.
big progress.
Keep practicing.
Keep smiling.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.